Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Today I'll show you 3 different hairstyles using a ribbon, or you can use a scarf instead. So we'll begin with our first hairstyle. So we'll select our crown section and make with it a ponytail. Make sure on last time to pull your hair only halfway through. Further out your created loop. Then you want to grab a ribbon and tie it over created messy bun. For our second hairstyle, we will grab all our hair into a low ponytail. Now we want to grab our ribbon and tie it over our elastic underneath. And then we want to make a simple 3-strand braid using our ribbon like one strand. I hope that this makes sense. Make sure to tug on the edge of the braid to make it fuller and voluminous looking. Tie the ends using a clear elastic. Then use your ribbon to hide the elastic and tuck it into the elastic like I'm showing here. And our fancy braid is ready. For our third hairstyle, we'll grab again all our hair into a low ponytail, but on last time we'll pull our hair only halfway through. We'll fan it out a little bit, and then we want to tuck it into the elastic the ends of the ponytail. Fan it out again. I'll use some grips to make it messier and bigger, but this is totally optional. And then you want to tie a ribbon over it and your bun is ready. Tell me please in comments down below what is your favorite hairstyle. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.